NFC United tutorial. This is the NFC United main menu. From here you can play back previous saved media or create and save new memories to your NFC-enabled product. To play back, select the Read button and scan your tag. Each phone places its NFC reader in a different location. On the iPhone, you will find it here. On the Android, it can be in a different place depending on the manufacturer and will need to be located the first time by patiently trying different spots. Note that some phones may be harder to find than others based on brand. Now, back to the home screen. You can record audio messages, add pictures, save written messages, or save website URLs to your product for instant playback later. For example, to record an audio message, touch the microphone, hit record, and then stop. When you are finished, name the recording and hit save. The app will cue you to tap your product to the phone to complete the save. To find your recording, select My Tags. Here is where you can manage all your different products, recordings, pictures, and text saves. The yellow star indicates which items will play back when you tap your phone. Here you can select Edit to change the names, delete the save, or move your recordings into an order of your choice. Multiple products with different recordings may be managed from here. You can even move recordings from one product to another. This can be a fun way to automatically share messages with other users. Other sharing options include selecting the Share button under the Save file. The messages can be emailed, text messaged, etc. Another user that has an NFC United app can also scan your product and download/playback what is saved there and load it into their public folder. To opt out of this type of sharing, you may lock the product from the My Tabs menu so that other users may not scan. The other way to share is to open the saved file and use the Save to Tag option. You can then save direct to another person's product, which will also go into their public tabs menu. All recordings are synced with the cloud in case of loss. Should you be in an area where signal is down, the recording will store in pending till you are in range again. This completes the tutorial. Please enjoy your product.